Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm just going to do a quick review of these Neewer LED light panels. I love these things. I bought a pair of them about 6 months ago, and I've been using them for just about everything ever since. They're good for photo shoots, they're good for video, they're good for live streaming, Zoom calls, they're good for just about anything. So I'm using one to light this video right now, and I'm going to use my second one here to demonstrate kind of how they work. They're extremely simple, and why I think they're a good value. So you look at the back here. You've got the two knobs, and you've got your yellow, which is your slightly cooler temperature light, and you've got your white, which is your slightly warmer and more intense light. You can adjust them individually. So there's your warm yellow, and there's your warmer white. And you can blend them as well. I tend to go for, more the yellow and just a touch of the white, depending on the situation. But for an intimate setting like this, I like to go a little more yellow than white. I find the white brings out my worst features and kind of highlights them. So at any rate, that is how the different knobs work. But right here we have a spot for two battery packs. They come, this particular kit, I'm going to link it in the below the video in the comments. It comes with two battery packs, and it comes with two light panels. So you have 4 battery packs in total and 2 lights, and the batteries last for I've had them last up to 10 hours. I've used them for days to shoot content and never had to recharge them. I'm going to quickly switch to my webcam view here so that I can show you the front end of this, because it's a little too bright for my Canon camera. So here you've got your more yellow kind of color, and you've got your white like that. Now these adjustable flaps on the front here, you can narrow it down to almost a spotlight, or you can open it up and really have, I'll show you, just that's kind of what it looks like, right? And then add some white in there. You can blend it. They can really go quite blindingly bright. So having 2 of these is really all you need for a Zoom call or for anything like that. Now, the total cost of these this whole kit that comes with the carrying case, the stands, the batteries, and 2 of these panels, and I believe it's about $269. I'm going to link it in the description below. I use them. I recommend it. This is not a paid advertisement, but it is a recommendation, and it is an affiliate link, so you'll be helping out the channel if you got some value out of this. But I really do like these light panels, and I hope you get some value out of them as well. Catch you in the next video.